Good morning, teachers and schoolmates. My name is Ling Zheng, and I am here today to share my advocacy speech. I will be sharing about internet addiction, and through this speech, I hope to raise more awareness about internet addiction, which most youths are experiencing now. To put it simply, internet addiction is more commonly called problematic internet use. Many people use the internet to socialize with friends from all around the world for the global news, to gain more knowledge, and even shopping online. Why should we pay attention to this? A study shows that 420 million of people around the world are addicted to the internet, which is around 6% of the world. However, only 39% of the world have access to the internet, hence some people consider this as a first world problem. Research has shown that young adults use their smartphones roughly twice as much as they estimate they do. Most teenagers use roughly about 5 hours a day. So, what are the signs and symptoms of internet addiction? There are both physical and emotional symptoms one may face. Physical symptoms include insomnia, headaches, dry eyes and vision problems, weight gain or loss, and more. Emotional symptoms may include depression, anxiety, unable to prioritize work and schedules, no sense of time arrangement, and even mood swings. Technology advancement may be more convenient, but it can dampen creative thinking, impair attention and productivity as well as memories, increase stress levels, and reduce sleep quality. Are you a victim of internet addiction, or ever wondered if you are one? If you realize that you always lose track of time on the internet or struggle to cut down from the internet, losing sleep on a daily basis, or even thinking about being on the internet during class, you may be suffering from internet addiction. What can we do? Personally, I think that we can overcome internet addiction by spending more time and dedication in our hobbies because we enjoy doing what we love. Secondly, seek an adult for help and advices. We can ask our parents to confiscate our phones or ask them to monitor us. The school can also put up posters about the effects of internet addiction to show that this is a serious issue that cannot be taken lightly. Lastly, we should be focusing on our homework and studies and put away our phones to ensure quality in work and productivity. To conclude my speech, I feel that this issue should be brought up as many people do not keep track of their usage. Phones can be a serious distraction and may affect our daily lives and movements. We can help our friends together and play a part in making society less dependent on technology's advancement. Thank you.